Everything goes white. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me.
Hey everyone, I hope you guys are all having a super duper nice mid-year of 2023. In today's video, it's going to be a bit of a studio vlog, a bit of a shop update prep, a little life update, so it's going to be a little bit of everything. So since it's the middle of the year, what I like to do is basically, or at least what I try to do every year, is have a little inventory check. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm counting all of my stickers, my pins, and all of my inventory. I've also been trying to be a little bit more diligent when it comes to checking the quality of my stuff. So as I'm counting these, or before I counted these, I looked through every single sticker to make sure that there weren't any flaws, so I can pick out B grade ones or like oopsie stickers and stuff like that, because I asked you guys on TikTok and also Instagram what you guys thought about oopsie stickers and like B grade stuff. And so many of you guys were a huge fan of mystery packs, mystery oopsie bags, and stuff like that. So I thought I would take the time to sit down and count every single one, and then I'll put them in my shop update. I'm actually super duper excited for these oopsie bags because I thought it was such a cute and also sustainable idea, because I feel really bad just selling B grade stickers, but then I also don't want to waste them and just throw them away because the production does use plastic and all that kind of stuff. So I do feel really bad if I had to just waste them. So I'm really glad that you guys were super open and happy to get oopsie stickers. Okay, so here's a quick look at the container that I'm using to store all of my stickers. I have a few different designs and a few different baggies. I know which ones B grade and A grade. It's actually been a super long time since I've done a voiceover on the computer, so it feels really weird because I think the last time I actually did this was probably a year or possibly 2 years ago. So it's very weird for me to be coming back onto the computer and editing. For those of you who don't know, I got a new phone, I think around 2 years ago, and I've actually just been making all of my YouTube videos only and strictly on my phone, and it's been really fun and really cool, but it's also been kind of a problem, which I recently realized because it used up all of my phone storage. So it was kinda silly of me to assume that my phone had unlimited storage. Well, I did know that it didn't have unlimited storage, but then I kind of used it as though it had unlimited storage, if that makes sense. But yeah, so I've been on this huge phone storage lock type of thing and just trying to transfer all of my photos and videos over to my computer and then save it into a hard drive. So that's what I've been doing for almost a week now. And yeah, so because of this whole experience, I realized that it's actually a lot better for me to just film strictly on my camera and also edit all of my YouTube or longer form videos on my computer. Oh yes, so I recently got this new little container and basically it's got 9 different drawers in it. And okay, basically I was influenced by a lot of TikTokers and Instagrammers who had a lot of small businesses, and then they would store their stickers inside these drawers. I thought the idea was so cute and also so organized. Okay, I really like being organized, and then I decided to get one myself. And that's pretty much what I'm doing today, and I'm basically just organizing all of my stickers into these little containers. So then whenever I need to pack orders, I know exactly where to go for the exact sticker. So during this whole experience, it actually made me realize that I have so many stickers in stock. So I pretty much spent a lot of the week just packing orders and counting my inventory.
Take a look into the mirror, following your heart, but to silence to the fear. And you deserve it, you deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go, now your seeds can grow. Imagine that, you deserve it, you deserve it now. Hey.
Pick up the phone, little darling, I got a bit to say. I'm speaking from the heart, I pray it doesn't ricochet. I know your guard is up, distance makes this hard enough. I hope that I can ask for you to listen, man, this part is tough. I sent a message and maybe you didn't get it yet. When you have a second, you should check it, swear you won't regret it. I'm stepping out of a meeting, a big amount's where it's leading. I'll make you proud in proceedings, we'll hit the town in the evening, darling. And then it's time for us to celebrate. Pop some vino, we know we celebrate. Hello, mate, enjoy the ride and spend for something real nice. Cause every dream I've ever had, you helped me realize. No matter how much of a stretch, I guess it feels like. No matter how left field, you make it feel right. You believed it could be real beyond the surface. In your eyes, I saw that I was worth it. Perfect.
Take a look into the mirror, following your heart, but to silence to the fear. And you deserve it, you deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go, now your seeds can grow. Imagine that, you deserve it, you deserve it now.
And may I say that I never take for granted the lady that I make my plans with daily. Maybe one day shapes the planet with no way to even say it in my native language. Sharing everything I feel for you, I gotta give the praise in Spanish. Mariposa, you and I couldn't be any closer. You make me breathe like a bean of heavy smoker. When we get married, we will be ready for what the world will bring. We're Birmingham if they had buddied up. Lawrence and LaRousse, it was a crew, so much to do, so now we run amok. Your laser focus shapes my ruthless execution. My elocution takes your train of thought to resolution. I'm never wanting you, holding back from a benefit, and anyone supporting you will assent with the sentiment. I'm with you every step of the way. Blessings and curses through my eyes every second. You're worth it. Perfect.
Take a look into the mirror, following your heart, but to silence to the fear. And you deserve it, you deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go, now your seeds can grow. Imagine that, you deserve it, you deserve it now. Hey. Try to let it go, leave it down the road, if it's weighing heavy on your soul.
So I'm packing some orders right now, and I wanted to show you these two little cutie pins, and basically they were funded through a Kickstarter and also my Patreon, and I was actually recently requested to add them to my Etsy store, and I thought I've actually never really thought about adding my pins onto my Etsy store, especially Kickstarter and Patreon ones, so that does make me wonder, is there any other types of items you guys want to see in my next shop update? I mean, back then when I used to have a enamel pin club for my Patreon, I would like have a secret shop and stuff like that. But because of the whole like Australia post, it's actually so expensive for me to ship out enamel pins every single month, especially if I don't have like hundreds of patrons every single month to send it to. So I'm putting that on hold for the time being, and when I do reach like around 150 or 200 patrons, then I will think about opening up Pin Club again. I know I'm like really sad because I really want to have Pin Club again, but it's just too hard to do, especially for like a teeny weeny artist like me. Oh, okay, so right now, as you can see, is a little bit of footage of me cutting, well, the Cricut machine, cutting the Oopsie sticker, or like the Oopsie sticker pack stickers. It turned out so cute. I just wanted to say that. So I just came back from a big shopping haul. Well, it's not really a shopping haul. I pretty much just bought one item, but it was a really big item, so I would call it a little haul. And basically, I got this big item from Kmart, and so I basically have not had any sticker storage for the longest time. I'll just put all of my sticker sheets in a pile. Basically, each sticker sheet would be stacked upon each other. So it was a bit of a mess, and it was so clunky to get all of my stickers. But now I finally bought this cool little container so I can finally organize all my stickers.
Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Nothing feels as good as you do. If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that it don't get so bad.
Hey, so I'm on my phone right now, so I've got this little recorder voice on for you, just testing it out. So I'm really excited because I just launched my Kickstarter for Chubby Bun. So Chubby Bun is this little project that I've been working on for the past month, and I'm so excited to finally launch it. By the time this video goes up, I think some of the bunnies have already been unlocked. Well, hopefully. So I'm very excited for it to go live. So if you do want to get the bunnies, do check out the link in the description. And basically the whole project is going to be this little blind bag type of thing. So for those of you who don't know, blind bags and gachas have been super popular recently, so I thought why not try something out similar with my little bunnies. So for the Kickstarter though, if there's a particular design that you really want to get, the Kickstarter is the only time and place that you can do that. So do make sure to pledge so then you can choose which bunny you want to get, instead of having to buy a blind bag and hoping for the best. Oh, okay, I'm very excited about this as well. But I recently bought these little gacha containers or gacha balls, and I'm planning on putting little gacha mystery rewards inside them. So the little ones are gonna have little snippets. So I'll write down like maybe you get a free sticker pack, free, I don't know, book, whatever it is. And then the bigger ones will have little enamel pins. I don't know how well this project or idea is gonna go, but I'm excited. Okay, so we managed to unlock the first and pretty much the ultimate initial goal for the Kickstarter. So I'm very excited, and right now I've just updated the unlocking artwork for it. And then I'm just going to update the story page for the Kickstarter so then people know that the first one is unlocked. I know there are quite a few different ones that I am planning on unlocking, but if we do manage to unlock all of the designs that I have so far, I am gonna maybe work on some other ones as well, so that's gonna be the stretch goals. So yeah, if you guys have other suggestions of what type of themes you want to see for the upcoming designs, do let me know in the comments. Okay, so we're getting towards the end of the video, kind of. And basically, I am just working on the final agenda for today. And it's basically this month's, oh well, not this month, but next month's sticker sheet for Patreon. I mean, I like to work on the sticker designs a month ahead. So then during the month, patrons and also the public will know what type of designs they'll be getting in the following month. So I'm very excited about that. So this time I'm working on a summer days sticker sheet because I heard that it's been getting really hot for everyone in the US. So I thought, why not do a sticker sheet based on that? So the rest of the video is gonna just be me drawing and creating the sticker sheet design. So I do hope you did enjoy this month's little vlog. It's definitely something which I really want to improve in doing. I'm not super duper comfortable with just doing, I guess, face reveals, so voiceovers are probably the most comfortable way for me to record what I do. Do let me know what other types of video content that you want to see in the future. Like, do you want to see a tutorial? Do you want to see more studio vlogs? So yeah, let me know in the comments so I know what type of stuff you want to see next time. Thank you again so much for joining me on this vlog. I hope you have a super duper awesome rest of the year. I will be coming back next month with another vlog, hopefully. And I'll see you then. Okay, bye!